If you're tired of the same old hummus, I've got a great recipe for you. Green hummus. You heard me right, green hummus. Hummus is a delicious sandwich spread and dip, typically made with pureed chickpeas, tahini, and lemon juice. I love to make mine jazzed up with lime juice, parsley and scallions, and even a little pumpkin seed butter, which add a great flavor and extra nutrition to my hummus. Hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Christine, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite recipes for homemade hummus. So in my food processor, I have 13 ounces of cooked chickpeas. To that, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil, the juice of 1 lime, half a teaspoon of sea salt, a 1/4 cup of sprouted pumpkin seed butter, but if you can't find this, you can just use tahini. That works, and that's a more traditional ingredient. I just thought this would be fun to make it green. Now I'm adding my herbs. I have a 1/4 cup of fresh chopped parsley and a 1/4 cup of sliced scallions. This helps to replace the garlic. I'm not adding any garlic to this recipe, but you get that pungent flavor from the scallions. And finally, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of water. You can always add a little more if needed to get the right consistency. Now we're just going to blend it all up. And then just scrape down the sides a little if needed. And give it one final blend to get it nice and creamy smooth. Okay, we got the perfect hummus consistency here. So then you can just adapt it to your taste buds if it needs any adjusting. If you need to add a little bit more salt, or you want to add a little more pumpkin seed butter or herbs or anything, it's really up to you. But this just looks perfect and ready for sandwiches or dipping with crudités. So I hope this video inspires you to make your own batch of green hummus. Comment below, what's your favorite sandwich filling? If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. When you subscribe and hit the notification bell, you'll find out about new cooking videos when they come out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.